good morning, Group 52. Psalms, chapter 1, verse 3. It says, "And I will be like a tree planted by the river, and I will bear fruit in my season." Life is full of ups and downs, but many people feel like nothing is going right in my life. It's been too long since anything good has happened. If this is the case, if you are not bearing any fruit in your life, you must ask yourself, am I planted in the right spot? You see, many people, they visit churches, but they're not planted. Many people visit a job, but they're not planted in the right career. There is no proper prosperity without the right position. So ask yourselves, am I in the right place? Because if you're not prospering, it's time to change that position. Get planted where you need to be. Get plugged into a good church, a good community, a good group of believers. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you. May you prosper and have the best week of your life.